Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving southeast on Chisholm Avenue towards Maxfield Avenue. Turning off Chisholm Avenue onto Kings Avenue. On the left is Queen's Crescent. On the right is King's Crescent. We are at Kings Avenue and Richmond Park Avenue intersection, and going right will take you towards Maxfield Avenue, going left will take you towards Montgomery Avenue. Kings Avenue ends here, and just ahead is Maxfield Avenue. Turning onto Maxfield Avenue towards R483. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.